What is the NASDAQ? The NASDAQ is the coolest of the indexes because not only is it an index, it's also an exchange. What? The NASDAQ stands for the National Association of Securities Dealers Automated Quotations. In 1971, the NASDAQ began its operations as the world's first electronic stock market. In the beginning, it was not a place where you could buy and sell securities. It was just a way of measuring data and providing stock prices. The NASDAQ was revolutionary, ushering in an era of technology that was unavoidable. However, it was unpopular amongst many brokers because the rapid data it provided reduced their stock prices and reduced their profits. Over the next couple decades, it slowly became more like an exchange as technology improved and became more popular. And in 1998, it became the first stock market to fully trade online. This attracted a lot of tech companies and helped create the dot-com boom. Dot-com boom, dot-com boom. So why is the NASDAQ both an exchange and an index? In its inception, it was more like an index because it was measuring the market and providing data. Through time and innovation, it became more like an exchange. And in 2006, it registered with the SEC and became an official exchange. The NASDAQ currently tracks over 3,000 companies in the technology sector. And that's the NASDAQ. Its importance, alongside the S&P and the Dow, help give us a general overview of how the market is doing. For now, you know 3 pieces of information that will help you on your way as you embark upon your financial journey.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel. .com boo!